How to delete league on ESPN Fantasy Sports. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to delete league on ESPN Fantasy Sports. Deleting league on ESPN Fantasy Sports is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the app, launch the ESPN Fantasy Sports app on your mobile device. Log into your account. Make sure you are logged into your ESPN account. Select the league. Navigate to the league you want to delete. Access the league setting. Tap on the league tab or setting icon. Then search for league manager tool. Once you find it, tap on it. Then go to basic setting. Delete the league. Look for an option like delete league or remove league in the setting menu. Tap on this option. Confirm delete. Confirm it when prompted. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can delete league on ESPN Fantasy Sports. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.